New diets come out every day, but which of those diets work best? Well, Dr. Malika Marshall is here tonight to help us break it down. All right, taking notes.
Okay. All right. So U.S. News and World Report has once again ranked 35 diets. And they used health experts to sort of decide which ones were the most nutritious, which ones could you follow the easiest, which ones might reduce your risk of diabetes and high blood pressure, which ones make you lose the most weight. And the number one, again this year, is the DASH diet. This was created years ago in conjunction with the government to try to prevent hypertension or high blood pressure in people. And it features lean fish and poultry, whole grains, veggies, fruits for dessert instead of processed sugars, and of course, not much in the way of salt. The other top contenders were the TLC diet, the Mayo Clinic diet, the Mediterranean diet, and Weight Watchers, which actually ranked number one in terms of weight loss and ease of following, which I thought was interesting. And you know what came in dead last? You want to take a guess?
Ooh.
I know there were so many, 35.
No.
The paleo diet. So that's the one where you're supposed to kind of eat like a caveman.
Right.
Might have worked in caveman times, but very hard to replicate in modern times. So they said maybe has some merits, but not really practical.
Well, and you know, I think for people who have tried Weight Watchers and some of these other programs, having those livable rules to live by makes all the difference.
That's right. And you can find out all of the results on our website at cbsboston.com. You can check out the whole list.
Terrific. Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome.